Guys, I am here to say that please subscribe to my little sister. And I'm so sorry guys for not posting any videos or shorts for over 1 year. And this is my little sister. Her name is Eve. She makes a lot of shorts. And I'm pretty proud of my sister for gaining 1 subscriber. And even though if she has 1 subscriber, she's still happy. And it's her birthday today. Please subscribe to her, and she really wish that she will gain a lot of subscribers like me. I have 368 subscribers a year ago, but when I didn't post any videos, I started to lose subscribers of my own account. And my sister is a Filipino, and I'm a Filipino too. And please subscribe to her. And she will be happy. She said to me that she can only post videos if she gets 10 subscribers. She is really kind sister. And her name is Eve, and this is not her profile picture. That's not him. She just disguised as a young girl, and she's still a kid. And my sister is 10 years old, guys, and now I'm 12 years old. And I really forgot my other friends, my besties that we chatted each other. This is my bestie. And I have a lot of best friends a year ago in this YouTube. Now my other friends, I really forgot about them. I cannot find their account here, guys, and I forgot their username. And I have to go now, guys. I really have to go somewhere. Bye. Bye, guys. Really hope you can forgive me for what I didn't post any videos.